pa silang lyrics. Sige, sige.
Meron ako.
Kabisado naman yung konti.
Go na.
Don't stray, don't ever go away. You should do much, too so much for this. No, it gets the better of me sometimes when you run out of light. You fall into an ocean of pull me out in time, don't let me drown. Don't let me down. I say it's all because of you. And here I go, losing my control. Practicing your name so I can say it to your face. It doesn't seem right to look you in the eye. And all the things you bring to me, something on my mind. And here it's time to tell you why I say it's infinitely true. Here we go. Hey. Say you don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. And there's no cure, and no way to be sure why everything's turned inside out. It's in so much doubt, it makes me so tired. I feel so uninspired. My head is battling with my heart, and logic has been torn apart. And now your altered star comes fleeting every afternoon. Say, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. Sway, you stay, don't come and go like you do. Sway my way, yeah, I need to know all about you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. It's all because of you. Someone is going to cry. And couldn't be the man I adore. I seem to know, what your heart was for. I don't know him anymore. He's nothing where we used to lie. Conversation has run dry. That's what's going on. And nothing's but I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. And I'm shaking. Lying naked on the floor. But she'll never change into something real. While I'm waking, I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late. I'm already torn.
Oy, nandito na tayo sa talent.
Talent portion.
Talent episode.
Ocean sellers, right? Espresso. I have no luck. All that much. It's just so I can touch and torn. I'm all away. This is how I feel. Cold and I'm ashamed. Lying naked on the floor. You should never change.
Ano episode na kayo?
Talent portion.
episode.
Talent portion.
Wide awake, I can see the perfect sky is torn. You're a little late. I'm already torn. Ano naman ako?
Lahat ako sa dad.
So,
Ayun, napapasok yung door. Ano yan? Di mo na.
Lamig.
It's nothing but used to lie. Inspiration has run dry. That's what's going on. Nothing's right, I'm torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel. Golden and ashamed. Lying naked on the floor. We should never change into something real. Wide awake and I can see the perfect sky is torn. I'm all out of faith. This is how I feel.
Yun lang ang bag.
Hindi na ako pag. Wala akong pag. Alam ko na susunod.
I'm already torn. You don't want me to just get talk is cheap.
I'm not lasing.
And you are...
Asleep. Because why right there will fall for you.
Ano yung tata?
Hindi pa ako lasing.
I want you to see that day. I swear it's true.
Gusto ako kakain ako.
Girl like you is impossible to find. Impossible to find.
Ay, ba ikaw na? Inantay.
Pwede nga yung mag-ingay na.
Oo,
May
parang
ibang
di ka
klaseng
maingay.
ingay.
Ngayon, nandun siya sa palig mukha niyo, kung nakababata niyo eh. Pikirin niyo.
Kakirin nyo ah. Kanino ba kayong anak?
Bakit pa ganyan?
Kunin ko kayong tumbler ng dalon.
Ang landi ni MJ.
Oh, tama po yan na
Ito po yung salarin mo. Ito po yung salarin. Ayun yung salarin.
Sa iyo, babalik sa langit.
Kiss! Kiss, te!
Wala bang kiss dyan?
Te, in love yung dalawa eh. Bukol mo nga ito ng bote. Cancel concert.
Teka lang, para mas mabigat-bigat itong may tubig.
Sa tumbler na ate.
Parang mas mabigat to.
Bukol to.
O, dapat may pagtitigan moments. Pagtitigan moment, oh.
Tayo yung
Paano
price.
na?
Tayo yung price sunod na.
Sa aking piling. Kung ikaw
Kanino?
ang nagbibigay
Sa'yo ba eh?
kulay sa aking puso at damdamin.
Kumakanta sila ang dandan.
Piyangin ko itong dalawan to.
Prinsesa
Paano yung pompiang ni Trix kanina?
Hani pompiyang, hani pompiyang.
sa malayo.
Ay, piling nasa concert ako. Tapos nandun na daw ito.
Maris Enrico Blanca.
Ay, sino si Anthony? Uy, God.
Sa iyo.
That was so hot.
Anthony Leggings.
Habang
Uy, may ticket pa kayo. Mga ano kayo dito.
Bakod lang ano.
Ramdam din data eh. Oo.
Tangay na may kembot. Uy, gogo. Ano natin?
Nasarado din to.
Rinig pa rin.
Tayo, ba't parang mas kinikilig ka pa kaysa sa dalawa?
Kinikilig tita natin.
Kinikilig yung tita.
Titas of the gig.
Ay, nabi. Oh, feel na.
Tessie.
sa
Isang kita mo dyan, be.
Tayo, kilig na kilig ah. Number 1 supporter ah.
Yes.
Sa iyo, babalik sa langit.
Go, Mini Gwen. Go, Mini Nika.
Mick Gwen, go!
Gwen, go, Gwen.
Oh, yung
Bigyan mo,
Yun yung titigay sa sayo. Yun yung titigay sa sayo.
Bukulin ko talaga kayo ng tumbler dyan. Bubukol sa inyo to.